currently in quarantine, so we have nothing to do. So I just washed my hair. It's all dried, as you can see. Like, look at my new growth right here. Well, not that one, because look at this. I mean, this one's still new growth. It's just really curly. But look at this. Yeah. So my sister's gonna braid my hair. I've never tried braids over locks. Yeah, no, I tried sewing over locks. So we're about to see how this goes. I mean, she's a really good braider, so she says she knows how to tuck. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys when she's done. So just stay tuned, because I'm kind of hyped. But, you know, just whatever happens, happens. All right, BRB. Okay, everybody. So this is the finished product. Okay, so she's right here. Y'all already seen her before. So she said she was tucking as much as possible. I have very thick locks. Like the ends are thick. The roots are like skinny and the ends are thick. So it would be kind of hard to tuck in a little bit. But I think they look really fine. For the size of my locks, I think this is good. The only thing I was worried about was my edges a little bit. Because the locks on my edges and the back are extremely tiny. Not extremely, but they're smaller than the rest of my locks. Like the middle is thick, then these are small, and the back is small. So I was kind of worried about that a little bit, but I decided to put these back. It's not heavy. I like loosen these up so that it wouldn't be like pulling. So I won't be losing my front locks, and then I'll be looking like who did it and why, like with boss spots in the front of me. But I like it. I mean, I knew she was going to do good because she's done my braids before. Yeah, I've done my braids. She did her braids. So I already knew that she was not going to mess my hair up. That's why I told her to do them. But yeah, so comment below what you think. Go ahead and follow my new Instagram page at Braids.Locs. My new Instagram page is all for my locks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on that bell notification so that you know when I post. And good day and good night.